Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to know few things which people often require at home during this current pandemic. Because this COVID 19 is quite infectious, though that is not that pathological, that's why majority of our patients can be managed at home. Most of the times, our people are confused what are those minimum essential things that one should have at home at any point of time. We can see a lot of paraphernalia that is given by various hospitals like gloves, boxes, sanitizers, all these things. They are okay. During this current pandemic, among four things, most important is pulse oximeter, which is used to measure saturation of oxygen like this. It is a quite simple instrument like this. And if you have already watched my video, either on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/ChanakyaGV or on my Facebook page, you might be aware of how we have to use it. So just insert your finger into this and start monitoring. This will be useful to assess our oxygenation status, whether it is good or deteriorating like that, and will guide us. Coming to second most important thing is digital thermometer. Often I recommend standard companies like Omron to give accurate results. These digital thermometers, either they can be measured axillary temperatures or oral temperatures depending upon the age. In children, we recommend axillary temperatures, and in adults, we recommend oral temperatures. And after measuring temperature, as a standard universal caution, we ask them to wipe with alcohol swab so that not to transmit any other infections among the users. Another one is digital BP apparatus. This digital BP apparatus is quite useful at other times also. It has got a standard adult cuff and this base instrument. So what you can do is that just plug into this thing, apply over your arm. The tube should be coming on the inner side of the our arm, so that bladder of this cuff exactly lies over brachial artery. To tie it on velcro side. If you see there is a velcro, so like this. And now it is ready. You have to keep hand like this on the table and be relaxed, and don't have any coffee or tea at least for 1 hour before measuring BP. And you can start measuring by simply pressing this button. Most of the times what we do is that we often check only once. The standard practice is take at least 3 readings 5 minutes apart and take average of those readings. And most important is while measuring blood pressure, one shouldn't read newspapers or talk or watch corona news on TV. That is among the fourth one, which is most important thing, especially in diabetics. That is glucometer. This glucometer is quite helpful not only for diabetics and also for those patients who are on treatment, because nowadays the treatment for COVID consists of steroids, which are known to cause increased blood glucose levels. Some might not be having diabetes, but because of as a side effects of this disease or medications, glucose levels may rise, and these glucose levels may further impair the immunity. So we often monitor with these kinds of glucometer at home. It is quite simple instrument. In this pouch, if you take out, you can find a glucometer and lancets and glucometer strips. So this is the glucometer and these are the strips. You can see one arrow kind of thing which you have to insert here, and it will start showing some digits. After that you have to use this device to prick the skin. Once blood comes out, just you have to touch it. Depending upon the instrument, within 5 to 10 seconds there will be output. So we recommend to monitor at least twice daily, so that blood glucose levels won't be out of their range. So in this way, being at home, having these 4 instruments, again I mention, number 1 is pulse oximeter, second one is digital thermometer, third one is BP apparatus, fourth one is glucometer. We can measure our vital readings and can communicate these things to our healthcare provider or doctors. Thank you all.